Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For our class today, we're going to continue chapter 5, which is theory of production, or production theory. So before this, we have looked at the short run production, stage number 1 until stage number 3, of stages of production in the short run. We have looked at the concept of total product, marginal product, and average product, and we have also looked at we have attempted the calculus question here, which consists of this how to derive the short run production, how to derive the stages of production. As for today, we're going to continue with the optimal employment of one variable input. So yes, before this, we assume that the wage rate or the cost of labor is 0, which means labor is free of charge. So whenever labor is free of charge, a rational producer must use labor input up to the point where the marginal product of labor is 0 or total product of labor is maximum. So that's why if you still remember, a rational producer will choose stage number 2 to produce. Why? Because total product is maximum and marginal product is equals to 0. Which means the number of labor that will be employed by the employer is at stage number 2. Okay, but we know that labor is not free of charge. Of course, labor should be paid, right? So therefore, producer must use labor until the cost of labor, which is wages, equals to the revenue contributed by the labor, which means the firm or the producer will employ or will hire labor up to the point where the wage rate equals to the revenue generated by the labor, or wage rate equals to marginal revenue product of labor. Okay, so how much labor should be employed then? So firm should employ an additional unit of labor as long as the extra revenue generated from the sale of the output produced exceeds the extra cost of hiring the unit of labor. So this is which means so what is the condition or optimum condition of labor. So for that, kita tengok dulu optimum condition of labor, right? So nak dapatkan marginal revenue product of labor dengan cara apa? Marginal product of labor times with the price. Sama juga kalau kita nak cari marginal revenue product of capital, marginal product of capital times with the price. I'm going to show you after this in the table. So how we're going to look or find for the marginal revenue product of labor.